Many industries today use automated processes to ensure process repeatability, reduce variability, meet quality expectations, and lower manufacturing costs. Macron Dynamics, a manufacturer of linear and mechanical motion components and systems, has been supporting this need for companies across the globe for over 30 years. Macron makes linear robotic motion solutions for every market, offering complete system builds, assembled in the United States, and extremely fast delivery for your orders, led by a 7-day turnaround for single-axis actuators. Macron's linear robots, which feature 1, 2, or 3 principal axes that move in a straight line, are also called Cartesian gantry robots. Different than other articulated arm robots, linear robotics tend to have a longer reach and footprint to cover larger work envelopes. Unlike other automation machines, linear robotic systems can be reprogrammed to accommodate product changes quickly and are flexible to meet unique requirements. Applications include pick and place, sorting, packaging solutions, palletizing, or assembly across a range of industries, including material handling and packaging, product assembly or manufacturing, medical and pharmaceutical, defense, military, aerospace, or entertainment and amusement. Macron has engineered products to be robust, modular, and highly configurable. Customer applications are matched to a Mac standard design for proven performance and fastest delivery. Or a Mac-built design can be configured to be purpose-made for challenging applications and environments. Need to add capabilities to your operation, improve efficiency, decrease costs, or shorten production time? Let Macron help. To get started, connect with one of our knowledgeable sales engineers to discuss your application by calling 1-800-MACRON-1 or by dropping us a line at macron@macrondynamics.com.